What if Toyota has just created one of the most practical and adventure-ready camper vans of 2026? Today, we're taking a complete tour of the all-new Toyota Hilux Revo camper van, a compact yet surprisingly capable mobile home designed for travelers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts. From its smart interior layout and comfortable sleeping areas to its outdoor kitchen, solar power system, and private bathroom, this camper packs an impressive number of features into a compact package. Whether you're planning weekend camping trips, long-distance road adventures, or even full-time van life, this camper offers a unique combination of comfort, convenience, and affordability. Stay with us until the end as we explore every detail and find out why many people are calling this one of the most exciting camper vans of 2026. Exterior design and first impressions at first glance. The Toyota Hilux Revo camper van immediately stands out with its modern and functional design. While it maintains the rugged character of a pickup-based platform, the camper conversion transforms it into a fully equipped home on wheels. The large camper body provides generous interior space while still maintaining manageable dimensions for everyday driving. This makes it easier to navigate narrow roads, city streets, and campgrounds compared to larger motorhomes. One of the first features you'll notice is the large side awning. This creates an outdoor living area where travelers can relax, cook, or enjoy meals while being protected from the sun and rain. It's a simple feature, but it significantly expands the usable space of the camper. As visitors gather around the display, it's easy to understand why this vehicle attracts attention. The design successfully balances practicality, comfort, and adventure-ready capability. Interior overview. Stepping inside the camper reveals a surprisingly spacious and well-organized interior. Every square inch has been carefully designed to maximize comfort and functionality. The layout immediately feels welcoming thanks to the large windows that bring in plenty of natural light. Bright interiors always make a camper feel larger, and Toyota's design team clearly understood this principle. The seating area serves as the main social space within the camper. Whether you're eating, working, reading, or simply relaxing after a long day of travel, this area provides a comfortable environment for daily living. Storage compartments are integrated throughout the cabin, ensuring that travelers have plenty of room for clothing, food supplies, cooking equipment, and camping gear. Sleeping arrangements. One of the most important aspects of any camper van is its sleeping accommodations, and this Toyota does not disappoint. Above the driver's cabin is a dedicated over-cab sleeping area. This elevated bed maximizes available space while providing a comfortable sleeping environment. The design is practical because it allows the lower living area to remain fully functional during the day. The skylight above the sleeping area adds another level of comfort. It improves ventilation, brings in natural daylight, and creates a more open atmosphere inside the camper. At night, travelers can even enjoy views of the stars through the skylight, making the camping experience more enjoyable and connected to nature. Additional sleeping space can be created by converting the dining and seating area into a bed. This flexibility allows the camper to accommodate additional travelers when needed. Kitchen features. For many travelers, the kitchen is one of the most important areas of a camper van. Toyota's camper includes a well-designed kitchen equipped with a sink, countertop space, and storage cabinets. Despite the compact dimensions, the kitchen provides everything necessary for preparing meals on the road. The storage compartments help keep cooking supplies organized and easily accessible. Every cabinet appears thoughtfully positioned to maximize usability. One particularly impressive feature is the outdoor kitchen setup. Opening the external hatch reveals additional cooking space that allows travelers to prepare meals outside while enjoying fresh air and scenic surroundings. This feature is especially useful during camping trips because it keeps cooking odors outside while creating a more enjoyable outdoor experience. Dedicated storage for gas cylinders is also included, ensuring safe and convenient operation of outdoor cooking equipment. Bathroom and convenience features. A private bathroom can completely transform the camping experience, and this camper includes one despite its compact size. The bathroom area features a toilet, sink, shower space, and ventilation system. Having these facilities on board means travelers don't need to rely entirely on campground restrooms or public facilities. The compact design makes efficient use of available space while still providing essential comfort and convenience. For travelers who enjoy remote camping or extended road trips, this feature alone can significantly improve the overall experience. The camper also includes utility connections and service compartments that simplify operation during long journeys. Power system and off-grid capability. Modern campers need reliable power systems, especially for off-grid adventures. On the roof, we find one of the camper's most valuable features, solar panels. These panels help generate electricity from sunlight, reducing dependence on external power sources. Combined with the onboard battery system, the solar setup allows travelers to power essential appliances, lighting, and electronics while camping away from traditional facilities. The battery compartment is easily accessible for maintenance and monitoring. This practical design ensures that owners can manage their electrical system efficiently. For adventure travelers who enjoy exploring remote destinations, solar power adds significant freedom and flexibility. Climate control and comfort is essential during long journeys, and Toyota has equipped this camper with several features designed to improve everyday living. The rooftop air conditioning unit helps maintain comfortable interior temperatures during hot weather. This is particularly important for travelers exploring warmer regions or camping during summer months. The ventilation system improves airflow throughout the cabin, creating a healthier and more comfortable environment. Interior lighting is strategically placed to provide excellent visibility while maintaining a warm and inviting atmosphere. Additional air vents throughout the cabin help distribute conditioned air more effectively. Convertible living space. One of the smartest aspects of this camper is its flexible interior design. The dining area can quickly convert into an additional sleeping space. This multifunctional approach allows the camper to accommodate more occupants without requiring a larger footprint. During the day, the area functions as a dining room, workspace, or lounge. At night, it transforms into a comfortable bed. This adaptability is one of the key reasons compact campers continue to grow in popularity around the world. Travelers gain the benefits of a larger living space without sacrificing mobility and fuel efficiency. Exterior utility features. Moving back outside, the camper offers several practical features designed to improve camping convenience. The retractable entry step makes access easier for people of all ages. It provides a safe and comfortable way to enter and exit the camper. At the rear, stabilizer jacks help level the vehicle when parked. This creates a more stable living environment and improves comfort during extended stays. The exterior service compartments are neatly integrated into the body design, maintaining a clean appearance while providing easy access to essential systems. These details may seem small, but they make a significant difference during real-world camping trips. Final thoughts after taking a complete tour of the Toyota Hilux Revo camper van. It's clear that Toyota has created a highly practical and thoughtfully designed camper for 2026 with its comfortable sleeping areas, private bathroom, indoor and outdoor kitchen facilities, solar power system, rooftop air conditioning, flexible living space, and numerous storage solutions. This camper delivers an impressive balance of comfort and functionality. It offers many of the conveniences found in larger motorhomes while maintaining the maneuverability and efficiency of a compact platform. For travelers seeking freedom, adventure, and comfort in one package, the Toyota Hilux Revo camper van could be one of the most exciting camper vans available in 2026. If you enjoyed this tour, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more camper van, RV, and adventure vehicle reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.